The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and Sony A7R Vive represent the cutting edge in their respective fields. The iPhone 17 Pro stands out as a flagship smartphone, blending sleek design with powerful hardware and advanced camera capabilities. Meanwhile, the Sony A7R Vive is a full-frame mirrorless camera engineered for professional photographers, offering exceptional image quality and robust performance. Each device is tailored to meet the demands of its target audience, whether it's the versatile needs of everyday users or the specialized requirements of photography professionals. Together, they showcase the latest innovations in mobile and imaging technology, setting new standards for what users can expect from top-tier devices. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro introduces a sleek new design, featuring a wider camera block and a choice of striking colors, including silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue. Its compact dimensions and lightweight build make it comfortable for everyday use, blending style with practicality. In contrast, the Sony A7R Vive is engineered with professional photographers in mind, prioritizing durability and ergonomic handling. Its robust construction ensures reliability during intensive shooting sessions and in challenging environments. While the iPhone 17 Pro emphasizes modern aesthetics and portability, the Sony A7R Vive stands out for its rugged build and functional design, catering to users who demand resilience and precision from their equipment. The iPhone 17 Pro features a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering a sharp resolution of 2622 by 1206 pixels and an impressive peak brightness of 3000 nits. This advanced screen technology ensures vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent visibility, even in bright environments, enhancing the experience for viewing photos, videos, and everyday tasks. In contrast, the Sony A7R Vive is equipped with a 3-inch tilting LCD screen designed primarily for composing and reviewing images. While the LCD provides high resolution and flexibility for shooting at various angles, it does not match the iPhone's OLED in terms of brightness or color depth. For photographers, the tilting mechanism is invaluable for capturing creative perspectives. But for general media consumption, the iPhone's display offers a more immersive and visually striking experience. Ultimately, each device's screen is optimized for its intended use, with the iPhone excelling in multimedia and the Sony camera prioritizing practical shooting functionality. When it comes to performance and processing power, both the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A7R Vive stand out in their respective fields. The iPhone 17 Pro is equipped with the advanced A19 Pro chip and 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding applications. This allows users to seamlessly switch between tasks, run intensive apps, and enjoy a responsive experience. On the other hand, the Sony A7R Vive features the BIONZ XR image processor, which is engineered for high-speed photography and video recording. This processor enables rapid, continuous shooting and supports 8K video capture, catering to the needs of professional photographers. While the iPhone excels in everyday versatility and app performance, the Sony A7R Vive is optimized for delivering exceptional speed and image quality in dedicated photography scenarios. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sophisticated triple-lens camera system, including wide, ultra-wide, and periscope telephoto lenses, each with a 48-megapixel sensor. Its telephoto lens offers 4x optical zoom, while advanced video capabilities allow for 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. The front-facing 18-megapixel center stage camera further enhances video calls and selfies. In contrast, the Sony A7R Vive is equipped with a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering exceptional image quality and dynamic range tailored for professional photography. Its BIONZ XR processor enables high-speed continuous shooting and supports 8K video recording, making it ideal for demanding creative work. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels in versatility and ease of use for everyday content creation, the Sony A7R Vive stands out for its uncompromising detail and control. favored by professionals seeking top-tier results. When it comes to battery life and pricing, the differences between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony a7RV are significant. The iPhone 17 Pro offers up to 33 hours of video playback, powered by a 4,252 mAh battery, making it a reliable choice for users who need all-day performance. Its starting price of $1,099 for the 256GB model positions it as a competitive option in the premium smartphone market. In contrast, the Sony a7RV, designed for professional photographers, features flexible battery options, including USB charging and grip extensions for extended shooting sessions. However, this advanced camera comes at a much higher cost, with the body-only configuration priced at $3,898. While the iPhone excels in convenience and value, the Sony a7RV prioritizes professional-grade endurance and capability, reflecting its specialized role in premium pricing. In summary, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro stands out as a versatile device, ideal for users who want a powerful smartphone that excels in photography, videography, and everyday tasks. Its advanced camera system and robust performance make it suitable for content creators, enthusiasts, and anyone seeking an all-in-one solution. On the other hand, the Sony a7RV is tailored for professional photographers who demand exceptional image quality, advanced controls, and specialized features found in dedicated camera systems. While the iPhone 17 Pro offers convenience and flexibility, the a7RV delivers the precision and capabilities required for professional-level work. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize versatility and portability or require the specialized tools of a high-end camera.